Hello, this is Jake. You join me today in the carport with my 911 build, my Fiat 500 Yugo, which actually has several problems at the moment. But today's the day. I've got a new car. It's actually right there. But before I show you, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, roll the clip. So there's the new car. Let me know what you think. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to bring you more videos on it. It's going to be a good project. With everything else going on as well with the 911 and Fiat, and there might even be a fourth vehicle coming yet. Don't want to speak too soon, but I'm looking at something and I like it. So there we go. Let me know what you think. I'm now a smart car owner. I'm honoured. But yeah. Thank you all for watching. I'll explain more about the details and where it come from in the next video. And yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.